Hey there, welcome to the channel. If you're ready to transform your body and feel stronger, healthier, and more confident without stepping foot in a gym or buying any fancy equipment, you're in the right place. Today, I'll take you through 10 powerful bodyweight exercises that you can do anywhere. No excuses, no limits, just you and your determination. Let's get started. Emily Wee. Before we dive into the workout, let's prepare your body with a quick warm-up. This is so important to avoid injuries and get the most out of your session. Let's do 30 seconds of high knees, 30 seconds of arm circles, and finish with some dynamic stretches for another minute. Feel your blood pumping? Great! Now we're ready to crush this. First up, we have squats, an incredible lower body exercise that works your legs, glutes, and core. Keep your feet shoulder width apart, chest lifted, and lower yourself as if you're sitting in an invisible chair. Do 12-15 reps for 3 sets. Trust me, your legs will thank you later. Next, it's time for the classic push-up. This is the ultimate upper body workout for your chest, shoulders, and arms. Start in a plank position, lower your body until your chest is just above the ground, and push back up. Can't do a full push-up yet? No worries. Drop to your knees and work your way up. Do 10-12 reps for 3 sets. Time to challenge your core with the plank. Hold your body in a straight line from head to heels, keeping your core engaged. Start with 20-30 seconds and gradually work your way up to a minute or more. This exercise is a game changer for building core strength and stability. Lunges are next. These target your legs and glutes while improving your balance. Step forward with one leg, lower your hips until both knees are bent at a 90-degree angle, and push back up. Alternate legs for 10-12 reps per side. Stay focused on your form. It's quality over quantity. Let's shift to glute bridges. Lie on your back, bend your knees, and place your feet flat on the ground. Lift your hips toward the ceiling, squeezing your glutes at the top and lower back down. This exercise is amazing for your glutes and lower back. Do 15-20 reps for 3 sets. Get your heart rate up with mountain climbers. Start in a plank position and bring your knees toward your chest, alternating legs as quickly as you can. This is a fantastic cardio and core workout. Aim for 20-30 seconds per set and do 3 sets. Tricep dips are perfect for toning your arms. Use a sturdy surface like a chair or bench, place your hands behind you and lower your body until your arms form a 90-degree angle. Push back up and repeat for 10-12 reps. Feel the burn? That's progress. Now it's time for side planks. This is a killer core exercise that also targets your obliques. Hold the position on one side for 20-30 seconds, then switch sides. Keep your body in a straight line and don't forget to breathe. Love 'em or hate 'em, burpees are the ultimate full body workout. Start in a standing position, drop into a squat, kick your legs back into a plank, then jump back up. Aim for 8-10 reps per set. This will get your heart pumping and torch those calories. Finally, we have the Superman hold. Lie face down, lift your arms and legs off the ground, and hold for 10-15 seconds. This strengthens your lower back and improves posture. Do this for 3 sets. You've got this. Great job. Let's cool down with some stretches to relax your muscles and improve flexibility. Take deep breaths, stretch your legs, arms, and back for a minute or 2. You've worked hard. Be proud of yourself. Thank you for joining me today. Remember, consistency is key. Keep showing up, even on the tough days, and you'll see results. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who's ready to transform their body too. See you next time.